nak yang wai jika sak lajong kasos sip also Shillong karaki yang dap up snem maka jia ti jengka ban sumar penhep pesan ya pelat lais pak san pongot ki Khunswet kinla ban yang halagi jong kijat kini kijakari Khunswet Badon ha Umiam karaki yang dap up snem maka absen terip yang aja pesan ya kasos children village Shillong la steng house nem kat kanai spak ne kunai barka sedang trekam house nem ajar da ki sangut ki Kmie bari suma ya sau phongot ki khna na kaleng ke jlam mikhaya kasos children village India kebal sedang trekam nadu nem kat kanai spak do sau haki life way tli ki jala kari India haki absas nem yang trekam kasos children village Shillong mentak akdup batri ya pelat lais pak san phongot ki khna akabun naki ya yokam yo jam bat don ru iba yang lagi jong kijat ban sedang ila jong yang kesem mentak gedi ka source children village Shillong ka Christian ya sispa san ngot ki khna jong ki khnai tli gilong jing bat atli ki youth hostel basa ka sinrang bat ka Christian ru ya ndo san ngot ki khna rumba ka supervise independent living kenyira ke ngidap absan stem mali ke silva jubli jong ka sos children village Shillong ka dairu kum sibenta ban ya kendu lang barok ki khna ki Kmie ki nong Christian ki nong yalam ki nong no sniang bagi kun samla ki brayeng halong hayal ki jong ki kijat nama ka jing Christian jong ka ni ke jakari Khunswet hakani ke sngi dap absan stem lawan sakiru daum tri kita sosial welfare ke jila ba polong do hakajidon lang uso manta kar uco ka sos India u aru dha abror ka CPU family light care u ama juji sama director ka sos children village Shillong Kmie kinong Christian ki khna bar kiwe de ni kinong syakot sumha ba pol ong baga jingdon yang ka sos children village Shillong kam dai tang ban ai jaka sa ka bam ka di ki khna dai ka dai ru ka jaka ban ai jing e ya kitu gi bam simlayo al kalat ban ma ki jing e na Kmie uco ka sos India sumanta kala ong ba mental aplat absence stem ka sos children village Shillong kala sim yak jingkola ba iwe pa iwe khna ibra du no yak Kmie ki pal ni ba jandu ya ki jing suma ki nang don Kawei ki ba pharnai padap ki jing e bat ka scam
nang kiu saprang SOS ngadai mestina simli ngajon kendai tarik Desember khat kendai punreu hagati baro ngadon tikun artusan ngun wei kun balaseng la kakam la jong wei kun ubal along UB constable police in Meghalaya department wei kun ubal along officer of agriculture Kawei ka kun kabalong manager ha Kawei ka resort dadan ki kun katu kat Ngut ibatrei ha ki hotel management arnut ki kun ki balahi kai school arnut ki kun ki batrei nos dan Kawei ka kun ka batrei kam la jong kum ka thung ka tem dan Kawei kun bade ka batrei ha Kawei na ki company te ka basu kemen yang ka Kmie bangayo I wei kun ibadang sau sni bakha bayap no ka Kmie bat mardor hap Islam yo lem kumta mdon jingkermen kat kum ka jing batai jong ki doktor na po dekhni hostel mentau tau khna u ap ya ka resort matric bat dei iba binut iba kloy ban ai ka snam ya tau khulung kuble sibun ba binut ya ka jibun ka tu te ka ktien ka ong habadon ka jing it hangta don ka jing sup habadon ka jing sup hangta don ka jing kermen kumta sisahi ngadon armut ki kun ki balik pediang ki badai na ka scout and guide ki balik pediang ya ka kusnam na u presiden jongkari India Pranab Mukherjee bampai hadwar ble Kawei niki menta ka trainos wei wi kai school te Kawei kum ka ktien ko ong mo kabadon ka jing suk hangta don jing kermen sisahi hanga kum ka kami ka no ngadat de jing kemen teng nga ongi ki kun subhasa kun nga por bam lunch subhasa kun ai nga nak filter nomor ka ki kun hak teng ki smutu bakla ki wanra da ukukar ban ai nga cái khôn teng mo ka jing long brung su thu baklai ki teng ha ban penden te ka basultanat hiro ba ki khôn jo nga barbor ki ju ya pleu jing mot ya nga kum ka kmila jong ya ka ka ba ki don hapo da nut la ka dei ka ba bhan ya ka ba sniu te ngaro kum ka kme ngasa skor bat nga priam hun ya ki kum la ki khôn kum ta nga sneng nga kraw nga pen ya kalenti ka babha kajing kublai kitbok ya isar amojoti ya assistant of director Smithy Carlin Kong Elizabeth ba Abinod ba Terence Kong Teresa Dendon hang niru bat badai hayut iba darlong yaki Kmie baro yaki anti baro kublai sibon badai lang ba jong pi bangadan hadu kat kini kisngi bamta kublai sibon sai sisen babilang ki bakloy banyarap bat ban kersan ha ki jing ki jonga baro bat kawai ngakwa ban kentui ki kena baik baro ban long ki bayai sa bat ban 3 minit la kadai ha po school ha ka jing pule puti ne la kadai ha ka kam ka jam bat ban pen urlang ya la de bangadai ban urlang sisai kata ka jing trang nga kum baong ka khin trang kamut ban yo ang not kalong ban pendap ban om babe ya la de ublen kur khui thi baro kublai sibon
I have lived those moments. I have faced the darkness of abandon, the pain of loss and the silence of loneliness. But then something remarkable happened. In the last months of the year 1999, I was brought to SS family. For me, it was more than a shelter. It is my home, a place where I was seen, heard, and most importantly, loved.
Carries you in her arms till you're 15, till you're 16, and carries you in her heart for the rest of your life. That's a mother. It yaki kena kiba kumangi asngaw na way naki sama balakan mene bito ba kumno ulap yaka yeng yaka rumpay indaw ban havenige ka village havenige snow. Many of us lack homes. A lot of people have houses but not homes. And it is our duty to reach out, to make a difference. And I'd like to pay tribute to all the founders who have struggled to ensure that we do indeed become difference makers in the lives of others.
We run in the state of Meghalaya. Our intent and plan is that how can you further join hand with the government of Meghalaya for the skilling of the youth. And together, that is the need of the country. And I think since youth is our future, we should try how can you build the skilling of our youth better so that they become a gainfully employed and contributing member of the nation.